Every Lux soap bar begins where the raw oils first meet the earth. For Lux soap, the journey starts with clean harvest and careful handling. Before Lux soap can be made, every raw ingredient is stripped back to purity.
Screens are vibrating well, flow looks clean, elevators are clear, air separator separating fine.
Under pressure, the heart of Lux soap begins to reveal itself. Lux soap gains its body from oils refined by motion, heat, and time. The signature of Lux soap is carried in petals gathered at peak bloom. What gives Lux soap its memory is drawn out in heat and vapor. In small volumes, Lux soap finds the scent people remember for years. By now, Lux soap exists in parts: oil, fragrance, and the promise of transformation.
Batch confirmed, moving to dock.
Next, Lux soap leaves the source and heads toward the factory floor. For Lux soap, the first journey begins before the factory even comes into view.
Keep it steady, guide it in.
Looks good, lock it down.
Straps on, secure.
Every Lux soap batch moves forward only when every drum and tank is secured.
Straps tight,
Labels verified.
valve sealed.
What was harvested for Lux soap now enters the rhythm of industrial movement. Mile by mile, Lux soap moves closer to the systems that will reshape it. The closer Lux soap gets to the plant, the more precise the world around it becomes. At the Lux soap gate, transport gives way to controlled entry. Every Lux soap load is measured before a single valve is opened.
Convoy approaching. Scales access settling. Reading gross weight. Codes match. Load verified. Proceed.
Here, Lux soap arrives not as a finished product, but as controlled potential. The moment Lux soap enters the plant lines, transport becomes process. Now Lux soap crosses the threshold from arrival to production. Inside the Lux soap plant, every arrival is folded into a larger machine.
Clear on the left, bring it through steady.
Load secure, watch the marks.
Good, ease to the center aisle. From the outside, Lux soap looks like steel, steam, and control. Every Lux soap shift begins with the same path into the process. At Lux soap, the factory begins before a single machine is touched. Precision in Lux soap production starts with disciplined entry. Beyond the corridor, Lux soap becomes a chain of controlled environments. Outside the walls, Lux soap moves through lines that never stop thinking. Once inside the hall, Lux soap enters a world built for measured flow. From this height, the Lux soap factory reveals its logic: flow, separation, and control. Now Lux soap is ready to meet the first true stage of transformation. Before Lux soap can be blended, every material must pass through cleanliness and control. Even the outside of Lux soap ingredients is cleaned before the process moves on. Every Lux soap input is verified before it can touch the line.
Pressure stable, flow rate optimal.
Sample is clear, no contaminants.
Confirmed, the base oil stream is pure.
For Lux soap, purity is not assumed, it is measured in motion. At this stage, Lux soap is still being refined into something stable enough to trust. The fragrance of Lux soap enters the line only after a final human check. Every Lux soap note is filtered before it becomes part of the final identity. Lux soap now moves from cleaning into precise preparation. With Lux soap, sorting is really the art of preparing exact order from many parts.
Scale is stable at target weight.
Lid open, pouring now. Line sequence verified, flow is good.
Cleaned, sorted, and approved, Lux soap is finally ready to enter the core of production. Here, Lux soap begins to leave raw handling behind and enter controlled chemistry. For Lux soap, temperature and flow have to agree before the reaction can begin. In the Lux soap process, the reaction only starts when the inputs are exact.
Batch set points confirmed.
Metering sequence open. Flow total stable.
This is the moment Lux soap changes from ingredients into reaction. Under heat and motion, Lux soap starts becoming the base people will one day hold in their hands. Lux soap is checked while it reacts, not after the fact.
pH and free alkali are spot on.
Viscosity is stable at 4,500.
Jacket pressure is holding steady.
Bit by bit, Lux soap is separated from what it no longer needs.
The interface is stabilizing.
Upper phase density.
The pure base rises, ready for the next stage.
Pressure is holding steady, the base is transferring smoothly.
To shape Lux soap further, excess moisture has to be pulled away with precision.
Feed pump is stable, no fluctuations. Route valve open, flow is good.
Now Lux soap starts to look less like liquid chemistry and more like a material ready to be formed. From here, Lux soap moves from chemical base into physical form. Lux soap now enters the stage where texture, density, and form are built under pressure. With every pass, Lux soap becomes smoother, tighter, and more precise. This is where Lux soap takes on the identity people recognize instantly.
By now, Lux soap has become a continuous form ready to be divided and shaped.
In a single cut and press, Lux soap moves from bulk material to recognizable product. Now Lux soap looks exactly like the product that reaches homes across the country. At speed and with precision, Lux soap is sealed, coated, and prepared for shipment. From line output to pallet load, Lux soap becomes a finished industrial volume. And this is how modern factories produce Lux soap from start to finish.
Lux soap leaves the line the same way it began, through a system built on movement, control, and scale.